In this video, I wanted to show you today how to load up an array with keyboard input in Java. So I've got a array here defined that can hold up to 10 elements, and I want to read from the keyboard 10 values to put in it. Easiest way to do that in Java is with the scanner class. Point it to system in. Import that class. Now let's loop. And then for each loop, let's do a little prompt. And then we want to set array of I to what's keyed in, and we want to get the next integer. So then, just to show that this works, let's do another for loop. This for loop will print out everything. Put them next to each other. All right, let's run this. So, there you go. Entered 10 numbers, loaded them all into this array using scanner and nextInt, and then printed them out.